How to make 10 lakhs in 30 days part 1. To have 10 lakhs with you, you need to create a product which is worth 10,000 rupees. For example, you can create a course that will cost 10,000 rupees for someone to purchase it, and you need 100 people to purchase that 10,000 worth course to make 10 lakh rupees in 30 days. But how? Simple. You can create a webinar and create ads, publish in social media, Facebook, Instagram, Google, LinkedIn, Twitter, and show your ads to the people who are interested to attend your webinar. In webinar, provide value, and at the end offer your premium course worth 10,000 rupees to that people. Do it consistently. In next 30 days you are going to make 10 lakh rupees per month. Thank you.